Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're coming to you today from somewhere special. We're in Austin, Texas at the Overland Adventure and RV show. So if you guys remember from our previous video on the beach, we met this guy named Relly. Relly invited us to come hang out with him and some of his friends here at the Overland show in Austin. So we're gonna go see some RVs. What else you wanna see?
Outdoor stuff.
Outdoor stuff. This whole thing. Like, so apparently there are RVs here, there are overland vehicles, tents, campers, pop-up campers. We want to see it all. I see some gigantic chairs over there that I want to go check out. So first things first, I want to know, also, our channel is about food sometimes, and I want to know, is there any good food in here at this event as well? So we're going to get inside, check it out, and let you guys see some of the cool new vehicles that are here at this Overland show here in Austin. Let's go.
This is a show directory, so we can have a map of what's inside.
All right guys, so we just talked to Relly, and he said he's right near the front entrance at spot 206. So we got to work our way through this crowd and go find Relly.
Hey, good morning.
Relly.
Nice to see you. I'm glad you made it. I'm glad you made it.
Yeah,
You
man.
gotta have fun in this game.
So we found my buddy Relly, and he's got people all around his truck right here. As you can see, it looks really good with the camper shell on top of it. Lots on the inside, plenty of space in there, lots of headroom up top. So I'm gonna post a link to this camper shell, No Bounds Trails. I'll post a link, so if you guys are interested, you can actually give my buddy Relly a call and take a look at his camper shells. All right guys, so obviously we found the food, and it looks like there's a decent selection. There's hot dogs over there, pepperoni pizza, cheese pizza, so I'm sure she wants pizza. But I think this is it for this place. You see how much it costs? $12.
Yeah.
So those are definitely convention prices. $12 for whatever kind of pizza that is. It doesn't even look like it's name brand, and a hot dog. What do you want to get? All right guys, so it was pretty hectic inside, and I'm excited about it. We're gonna go back in there. We probably made it less than 15 feet into the event and found the food, and my stomach was like, yep, that's it. So we grabbed a $14 pizza and a $7 hot dog. Those are definitely convention prices. Let's see what this pizza looks like. Somehow we made it about food. It looks okay and it smells okay. Let's see what the hot dog looks like.
The hot dog review.
Ta-da! It's ugly.
It's already broken.
It's pretty ugly, but it looks like it might be edible. Typical food for a convention. All right guys, so lunch is done. Nothing to write home about. The pizza was very mid at best, but hey, it's a convention. Our stomachs are full. It's time to move on with the video. So right over our shoulder is this Opus Off-Road. I want to go check it out and climb in there and see what it looks like.
All right, so first off, there's no handle.
No hammer.
So, good luck.
It looks super cool though.
the clumsy
Maybe
one.
on the left, something sturdy is there.
Okay, yeah.
Feel spacious?
It does.
Oh wow, this is pretty cool. And it's $43,339 a month. Controls and heating. That looks like a heater. Controls inside of there. There's a bed on this side. That made my ears ring. And a bed on this side.
Oh, there is 2 beds.
Yeah, so more than one person could be in here. That's actually pretty cool.
I think, what is this, the cooler? Oh, that's the toilet.
Toilet stashed away in there. So here's another one, guys, RV from RV Land. Looks pretty nice. There's the handhold you were looking for. This one has a hard top, and it's obviously different than the other one we just saw. Small little cooktop right there.
Nice.
Dual side bunk bed. See how, not bunk, but I forgot what that style is called. 2 beds over there.
Dining.
This looks like it'd be great for hitting the road and just popping it up, and you can. Does it have AC? No AC. A vent fan up there. But at least it's spacious enough.
What is that for?
Outlet over here. Hanging stuff. Hang clothes and everything on it, I guess. Maybe. Or maybe that's a handhold for you to help you push it up.
Ah, okay.
It's pretty cool. What you think?
I like it.
I want to see another one. It's got a cast iron griddle outside. Some water connections right there. I guess this is a serving station. Nice sturdy steps up and down.
Oh, they do have a kitchen.
With a nice handrail right there.
What do you think? It's awesome, man. Let's do it.
Little TV.
Oh, look.
You got a question, Don?
This little plug outlet thing, and then you push it down.
Yeah. This
Oh, nice. I like this.
The shower is tall enough to stand in, and this is what I look like in the shower. There's plenty of headroom in this No Bounds series, so that's pretty cool. Everything feels solid. Nice, looks like a queen size bed. Plenty of space for storage overhead in these cabinets. Oh yeah, that's nice. Then a little wardrobe with the hanging spot. This is pretty cool.
Alright guys, so this is the Opus OP13. There's a small outside kitchen, a small inside kitchen, a shower, and a bed area.
Oh, you see that handle?
So it doesn't fly open?
So it doesn't fly open.
Nice.
You lock it, it unlocks. Oh yeah,
Nice.
that's pretty cool.
And this swivel TV. So
TV
you're
swivels.
sitting-
And look at the finish on the little chair here.
Yeah.
You can spill stuff on it, it can be
Wipeable.
cleaned up.
Yeah.
And then these cool little, oh, look what they put
my
here
best
for you.
friend.
They knew you would be looking at this. Plenty of power here. C and USB outlets, plus another one of those storage cabinets right there on the side. I bet there's storage underneath this bed too.
Where'd the table go?
Oh yeah. Oh, and the bed folds.
Off-road shenanigans. Oh, maybe that's what we call ourselves. Freedom 329, Redneck Outdoors.
We need to go to 329.
Okay, probably inside. I don't think they have booth. I don't see any numbers out here.
I'm about to say that.
Yeah.
I'm just tired of getting cutted. This fucking thing is crazy.
Are the fire extinguishers different colors due to the size? Or why are all these white?
They're due to what's inside of it, what sprays. Guys, we found an Overland vehicle that I know for sure is way out of our price range, but this thing is cool. A little tight. There's a sleeping area up there, and I'm sure that this turns into a bed as well. Then the bathrooms look nice and spacious in here. One-stop shop, spray everything down, clean it all up.
Oh, wow.
Vent fan, AC on the top.
And back here they have the plugs.
Oh yeah, definitely designed for getting out for the weekend. You want one of these?
I do, and the tires come up to my waist, like right here.
Let's go down. All right, guys, so we went all through the vehicles that were outside. There was one out there that was $700,000. That humongous Overland vehicle was super cool to see. And maybe, probably not in our lifetime, we'll buy one of those, but we'll get close. We are going to get something. So you will see an outdoor vehicle on this channel. We just don't know what yet. So you ready to look at some more campers?
Yeah.
Is there anything particularly? Look at that. There's some Overland vehicles over there. You want to check those out?
I do.
Let's go. You want to go inside and see this one, the Oliver Legacy Elite 2?
Let's go.
I want to go inside. I'm gonna follow you inside. Definitely want to.
On it for off-grid and a 48-volt power system.
This
on
one
it.
over here.
Yeah, that's the new Apex. We just came out with it today.
Wow. Cool. Very cool. Split beds.
Yeah. Oh,
Small little cooktop.
what's cooking?
Sink.
Oh, look, he does fit.
Microwave. And a family of 5 fits in here perfectly. It feels pretty good.
Wait,
That's what I was thinking. Plenty of storage space, huh?
Oh yeah.
What is this?
Refrigerator. No, the refrigerator's down.
A family of 5 will fit in here.
I know. Or one just to be comfortable.
There you go. So you heard that. You not coming. What you got there? What'd you just pick up?
You are what you eat.
You a big nerd. So what are you trying to win right here?
I want to win that, but I'm not sure if that's a possibility. But I'm really feeling lucky today.
I say we put our name in the hat. So we need to fill out one of these tickets.
Yeah. And spin the wheel.
Both of us. You do one, I'll do one, and we'll take it home.
All right.
That's ours, guys. Y'all might as well not even put your ticket in. All right, guys, so that brings our day at the Austin Overland show to a close. This has been fantastic. There are people still coming in. Look at that little Bronco over there.
Oh.
Cool little Bronco. Sorry, guys, I got a little distracted, but what do you think? Which one do you like the best?
The Outlander? What? No.
Overland? Oh, so the camper?
The big, huge one with the big tires?
Oh, that big $700,000 Overland vehicle, of course, yeah. That sucker was pretty slick. But guys, this is our first time ever attending a show like this. Shout out to Relly for getting us tickets and inviting us. We had a great time. We are hooked, so we'll definitely be doing this. And you, like I said earlier, we will add an outdoor adventure vehicle to this channel for sure. So anyway, guys, be on the lookout for that. We're gonna close our day out, and you want a snack? We'll find a little snack somewhere in Austin, and then we're gonna head back to San Antonio. We gotta get packed up and head back to Houston from San Antonio. So we gotta pick the little buddy up.
Yeah.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. We see you on the next video. Peace.